Every year, over 1 billion tires are thrown away, massive piles of rubber, stacking higher and higher, polluting the land, poisoning the air, and creating a global waste crisis. But what if these old tires could be turned into something valuable? Today, we go inside a powerful recycling industry where waste tires are transformed into fuel, energy, and new materials. Welcome to Tire Industry Insider. In this episode, we uncover the incredible journey of old tires, from discarded waste to valuable industrial resources, from giant shredding machines to extreme heat and chemical transformation. This is the hidden world of tire recycling. Every vehicle on the planet depends on tires, but once they wear out, they become one of the most difficult types of waste to manage. Tires do not decompose easily. They can sit in landfills for hundreds of years. Even worse, tire piles can catch fire. Burning for days, releasing toxic smoke into the air. Around the world, millions of old tires are discarded every single day. Without recycling, this problem would only continue to grow. The recycling journey begins with collection. Old tires are gathered from car repair shops, junkyards, Silverstein sites. They are then transported to large-scale recycling facilities. At first glance, it looks like mountains of useless rubber, but inside these facilities, powerful machines are ready to break them down. The first step is shredding. Massive industrial shredders equipped with rotating blades begin tearing the tires apart. These machines are incredibly powerful, capable of shredding hundreds of tires per hour. The result? Large chunks of rubber mixed with steel wires and fabric fibers. But this is only the beginning. Next comes separation. Magnets are used to remove steel wires embedded inside the tires. Air systems blow away lighter materials like fabric fibers. What remains is shredded rubber, ready for further processing. This rubber is known as crumb rubber, and it can be used in a wide range of applications. Crumb rubber is one of the most valuable products of tire recycling. It is used to create playground surfaces, for sapphitibrized asphalt, for quieter road sports fields, for durability industry mats and flooring. This simple material gives old tires a second life, but recycling doesn't stop here. In some facilities, tires go through a more advanced process called pyrolysis. This involves heating shredded tires in the absence of oxygen. At extreme temperatures, the rubber begins to break down at a molecular level. The result? Fuel oil gas carbon black fuel oil can be used as an energy source. Gas can power the recycling plant itself, and carbon black can be reused in manufacturing new products. This process turns waste into energy.
बड़ी काम लगा बोले बाजी सारा बना के दे
Remember the steel wires inside the tires. They are not wasted. After separation, the steel is collected, melted down, and reused in construction and manufacturing. Nothing is wasted. Every component is transformed. Tire recycling plays a critical role in protecting the environment while it reduces landfill waste, prevents dangerous fires, and lowers the demand for raw materials. By turning old tires into useful products, you move closer to a circular economy, where nothing is wasted and everything is reused. From massive waste to valuable resources. This is the incredible transformation of old tires. What was once discarded is now powering industries, building roads, and shaping the future. Subscribe to Tire Industry Insider for more inside looks at the world's most powerful industrial processes.
Nada.